Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering sticker images and tools. Get Genshin art in PNG or WebP, ideally 512 x 512 for WhatsApp quality. This reduces cropping. Once done, install a sticker pack app or use Telegram to assemble and export stickers. These let you add metadata. Make sure WhatsApp is installed and grant storage permissions because you will import files directly. Otherwise, the app cannot read them. This setup saves back and forth and keeps the pack consistent. Now you create the sticker pack itself. Open the sticker editor, make a new pack, and add each Genshin image. You need at least 3 stickers to export to WhatsApp. If your images are PNG, convert to WebP when required, keep 512 x 512 pixels, and under about 100 KB to ensure fast loading. Once added, trim margins and set the sticker order. This matters because WhatsApp preserves the pack sequence. Make sure to name the pack and author clearly, so you can find it once imported. Finish by importing the completed pack into WhatsApp. In the Sticker app, tap Export or Add to WhatsApp, then confirm the import dialog. WhatsApp will add the pack to your Stickers tab. Once done, open a chat and test send each sticker to ensure transparency and sizing are correct. If a pack does not appear, make sure files are valid WebP, clear WhatsApp cache or restart the phone, and if needed, reconvert images or reinstall the Sticker app to resolve permission or format issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.